There's stuff all over the place. Get around some more. Thank you, Carl. We had one of the biggest launches yesterday and we've just got stuff everywhere, and I also haven't finished packaging everything. If you haven't seen last week's vlog, I highly recommend you check it out. We launched our website and we also launched probably one of the biggest collections, the Sakura launch, that I've ever done. And now we're going to be focused on marketing and tidying and organising the whole studio. It was really like last minute. I have a lot of things to do today. One, we need to sort out the gaming mouse mats, so I'm going to just go on and put all the stickers on them. We then have the magnets, phone charms and packaging to sort out, so I'm going to organise them, staple them and put them all in the files and put them on the shelves, so it makes it easier for packaging the orders. And I'm also going to unbox all the notebooks and notepads. We actually sold out of the notebooks as well. So today I'm going to take you on the behind the scenes of directly what happens after a launch. So let's get to it, shall we? I'm going to label them for the back stock. Oh, that's really cute. I'd maybe just put the, you know, the little triangles on the other side of where your head is. Dean's just packaged a little gaming mouse mat and he said, first gaming mouse mat, that's going out. Who's it going out to? It's going out to Joanne, so thank you so much, Joanne, for ordering on the website, going all the way to Barnsley. This is what the gaming mouse mats look like. They already came in this packaging, and rather than unpackaging them, we thought it'd be best just to use packaging that was here to save obviously on wasted packaging. So we just added this little Katnipp logo on. I think it just looks really pretty. Ta-da! It just protects the mouse mats, but we thought it would be a waste if we took it out and repackaged it. I think it looks really minimalist and nice. First I need to round all of the backing cards. They all need rounding, and then I normally slot them in the front of these boxes. If anyone wants to know where these boxes are from, they're from zorro.co.uk. They're really handy. I stick the enamel pins on the front, put the boxes in here, but they all need rounding. I've already done it to the collection pins, but I now need to do it to these, and I'm going to stick on a YouTube video and just get to work on these. Now, I probably would advise anyone who's doing a launch to do this before, but I gave myself a tight deadline, so I didn't manage to get any of this done before we launch, so that's why I'm doing it now. So I'm currently rounding all these. I need one of those pin things that takes the backing off the pins. I have to order one off Etsy. You can get like cute cat ones. I've ran out of space over here in my pin shelf now because we've got too many pins, so I've had to make some space over here. Oh, that's so cute. My wallpapers have all changed as well for the month. This is my little Satsuma and the duckies. How cute is that? These are available on my Patreon if you want to join my Marshy Club. We get monthly wallpapers to match the Katnipp calendar every single month as part of the rewards. Look how cute that looks. Last month it was Bon Bon, but I've used the Bon Bon one for my Chrome desktop theme, so when I open Google, this is my little thing on Google, my little tab. It looks so cute. I was actually saying to my Patreon that May reminds me of like duck season. So like I always remember seeing little duckling, little goslings so they're called, in the like ponds and lakes all around England. So that was what inspired me behind May's calendar theme. Today I actually have to sit down and edit a video that you will have seen before this one. So you will have seen the launch one. I have yet to edit that video. So I actually need to cut out and package up some charms and some more magnets. So I've done a few of these magnets. So basically if you watched last week's vlog, you will have seen I cut out these backing cards here and I stapled them all. That's what I've got to do today, so let's cut these out. Oh, I also got these little boner things, and basically they're like score to help you fold things. So I've been basically like cutting these and then like scoring them so it's easier to bend. And I also have a very big announcement to make, and I'll tell you in a little bit, which is also going to be pretty stressful in the next couple of weeks, but it should be pretty exciting and I'm very excited about it. But watch out for later in the vlog. First of all, let's get to work on packaging up some of these charms so we can get to work on shipping some orders. look, I did them in 3s. Oh, for goodness sake, it's what you get for rushing. You shouldn't rush things because then you make more mistakes and then it ends up taking longer in the long run. Right, slow it down. Where's my stapler? Hello? Where's my stapler gone? Ugh, found it. I'm aware you're not really meant to use it like this. I've just been folding these in half and then using the scorer thing. You're actually meant to score it before to help you bend it, but I don't have time for that. I'm meant to be on a call, but I can't find the meeting. Oh no. So you already come in this bag. Wherever we can, we try and reuse paper like bubble wraps and stuff for your order. Making tote bags. You're a pro now, Dean. You're so good at them.
Yeah, what's one better for you?
Ooh, let me see this one. Oh, look how cute that looks. Have you got a whole pile over here? Whoa. Is that the pile of tote bags you've printed? Holy smokes, have we sold all those tote bags? Wow, what's been the most popular? Oh, Autumn Girl. What's been the most popular design? Oh, blue and beautiful. Wow.
Mike's already packaged about 5 of them, well, a few of them.
Really? Wow, I love that one. Can we show the Sakura one with the bumble button? Yay, this one's my favourite. I need one making for myself, but we've got this Sakura on the front and bumble butt there. Look how cute that is. Look at this chocolate I found in the shop. Hot cross bun flavoured chocolate. It smells weird. Kind of tastes like Christmas. Good morning, guys. So I ended up doing my vlog yesterday. I got that all sent off, which was really good. And today I actually want to get to work on finishing up, packing up and changing all those charms and everything. Not changing, packaging up all the charms and all the magnets so that they're just all done and complete, so it doesn't slow us down with order packing, because I think tomorrow and all weekend I'm going to be on order packing pretty much. And as you can see behind me, it's still a mess everywhere, so I really need to sort out the studio because there's just things all over the place. It's been crazy. Thank you so much for the support on this launch. I was saying to Mike and Dean there, I can't actually believe how this went. I knew that the Sakura launch was like something that I was personally proud of and really happy to work towards, and has been one of my favourite collections to work on, but I didn't actually realise how much you guys would like it as well, and I grossly underestimated how much you guys would really enjoy this launch, so a huge thank you. And a huge thank you to everyone who's been letting us know about the website and your thoughts and feelings of Katnipp.com. It feels great to finally have my website go live. Honestly, I really regret procrastinating so long on it, but I was also saying this to Dean and Mike, I feel like everything happens for a reason and I've been taking it at my own pace, and I don't think like back in like last year or the year before I was ready for my own site, if that makes sense. Everything just seems to be happening at my own pace. Yeah, I don't have like this super fast growth or anything like that, but I'm really happy just with the journey because I'm in this for life. Like Katnipp is my baby, and I just have so many plans and just not enough time in the world to do it. The style that I've developed has now like been more solidified, if that makes sense. I'm just really happy about it. So today we're going to get to work on unboxing everything and packaging up all the charms and magnets. So let's finish up doing all the packaging for that, shall we? Oh, can't wait to have a clean desk. Right, first of all, I'm gonna round the corners of these mouse mats that we are putting in orders for free until stocks last. So I'm gonna round these first. I've just put some Nintendo cute ambience music on since me and Dean went to see the new Super Mario Bros movie, which I absolutely loved, by the way. We have been listening to like loads of cute Nintendo music. I always listen to the Animal Crossing music anyway, but now we like keep getting recommendations for like cute little Mario Kart like music ambience and stuff, so I'll put that on in the background while we're working away and tidying up the studio. I'm excited to get the studio in some sort of shape. Oh! Are you guys okay? I need to stop balancing you guys on like dodgy platforms. Sorry. Oh, that's such a good fit. What the heck? Look how satisfying they like slot together with the thank you cards. Now we'll pick one of these and pick a thank you card. Oh, I've still got these to round. I love these to-do lists with little Bumblebot on them. So cute. I'll leave some of these magnets and stuff on the shelf just over here because I'm going to fill them all up. If you need any more, I'll have some over there. I'll just leave them on the shelves for now. I feel like I'm just moving things around from one place to the other and not actually making any progress. Look at this, I've nearly finished all the Bumblebot magnets. I've only got that much left, but I have to start putting them on top. Otherwise it would have been perfect fitting all the way in here. But now, put the little Bumblebot magnets on top. Do you know what I've just realised? That I can use just one single staple. I'm like nearly finished. Well, I suppose I've still got like 200 phone charms to pack, but one staple works just fine. So not only will I save staples, I'll save time from doing this, and also my wrist is starting to hurt. But one little staple works. Why didn't I think of that in the first place? It's like stuff like this, I was like halfway through and I was thinking, hang on a second, this isn't even that big. Why don't I just try using one staple instead of using two? Because my hand was starting to like cramp up by going like this. And it works with just one single staple in. Look. I could have saved time. Ta-da! One staple works. Alright, I finished actually packaging up all the little mini Sakura charms. Look at this. Ta-da! How satisfying is that? It's a full box of it. So I managed to actually get all those done. Oh! Oh my goodness, I'm dropping it. I didn't manage to get the Bumblebot ones done. Look how cute they look in the little packages. I just think adding, I know it's took me a long time to package these up and I only sell these for like £4.50. So I don't even make like a huge profit on them, but I don't know, just like packaging and adding materials like this makes me super happy, and I hope it makes you happy when you open the product and you see like a little cute like packaging like this, because I don't know, I love graphic design and I love it all like tying together my product. I think packaging can really help, I don't know, make your product feel that extra bit special. So I really hope you guys like it. We have the enamel pin collection sets over here that I spent a while all doing, so they're all done. We've got the magnets all ready, the Bumblebot ones, the Sakura ones, so they're all finished, and we've got the little charms. And we've only got a few little Bumblebot ones here because tomorrow when I come in I am going to do that. The shelving is not going to stay this way for very long because, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I do have a little bit of news. Let me show you what it is. I need my teas. Whoa! welcome to the new Katnipp studio. I can't believe this is happening again. Can you believe it? I'll see you in the next one. Alright then. Thanks so much for watching. I love you. Goodbye.